Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off the first Rapid X train under India's first regional rapid transit system, or the RRTS, from Sahibabad in Uttar Pradesh. Today is the last day for filing of nominations for single-phase assembly elections in Mizoram. Central Bureau of Investigation conducted searches at 76 locations across multiple states regarding 5 separate cases as part of its Operation Chakra 2. In Manipur, a combined force of Manipur Police, Paramilitary Force and Army conducted mass combing operation in Imphal East District and recovered huge number of arms, ammunition and other equipments. In the ICC Cricket World Cup, the match between Australia and Pakistan is underway in Bengaluru today. Earlier, Pakistan won the toss and elected to field.